Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Gateway Solutions. How are you? Hope you all are safe and sound. Today this is our 15th video of our course Linux for Beginner 2021. In this video we are going to talk about man command in Linux with example. Before starting a video, I am requesting to you please subscribe my channel and also press bell icon for notification of upcoming videos. In the previous video friends, we saw the pwd command in Linux. In the course I am using Kali Linux, which is Debian based Linux distribution. Let's start. Man is a abbreviation of manual. The man command gives us detailed information about the named command, including name, synopsis, configuration, description, options, exit status, return value, as well as error. Manual is divided into multiple sections. So you can pass the section number as an argument to get a specific section of the manual of a given command. This table shows the available section. Section 1 is a default. It opens user command description if no section is given. If you run man space passwd means password command, it shows manual of the password command. If you specify the section number, for example 5, it will show the file format of the file. Let's switch to Kali. Open your terminal. Let's run man space pw to see the manual page of the pwd command. It opens the section 1 by default. As you see, press Q to quit. What if we run the man space man command? Of course, it shows the manual page of man command. You can see manual of man command is opened and you can read it for the references. Press Q to quit. This time run command with section number. So we use section 1 man space 1 passwd. It will show the default section of user commands. Okay, so if we want to see any specific section, you can use command with section number. Let's see section 5 man space section number, that is 5 space passwd. You can press enter after giving the command. Now as you see, it opens, it shows the file format and conversation of the passwd command. Hope you understand about the man command. If you have any query, you can comment me below in the comment section. Thanks for watching. See you again in next video. Bye.